Welcome to the World of Maps and our how-to videos. In this video, we're going to show you how we can take one of our editable PowerPoint maps and set up a presentation using the Hyperlink feature in PowerPoint. This is a really cool thing to be able to do, and it's a great way to make a presentation where you can start with a national map like our editable USA map right here, and then you can drill down by clicking on the states to maybe Florida or New York. So let's get started on it. I'm using the editable USA map, and what that means is that each state on here is fully editable. We can color it, change it, delete it, move it around. And so I'm just going to click on the state of Florida. Notice the little handles that popped up. And over here in my formatting palette, I can go and give it a color. So that'll make that orange. And we're going to do the same thing with New York. Holding my Shift key down, select those two objects, back over to the formatting palette, and I have made them orange. So now, to make this a hyperlink map, we need to be able to just link the New York map to the New York page, the next New York slide. So all I do is click on it with my pointer, and you'll notice in the formatting palette right here, it opened up, and you see one of the options is hyperlink. It's right here. So I can just go into this little command on mouse click, and I'm going to go down to slide, and you'll notice that it brings up the slides that are in my presentation. So I've noticed that New York is on slide 4. I'm just going to click slide 4, say OK. Same thing with Florida. I'm going to go here, do slide. Isn't slide 1. Slide 2 is the US map. Slide 3 is Florida. So click on that. So now it is set up so that when I go into my presentation or slideshow mode, I click on Florida, this will jump to Florida. The other thing that I might want to do, and let's just jump over to this, is I want to put a button in here so I can get back to my main page. So up in my slideshow, there is an action button, and one of them is home. And we just click, you'll get a little home button. And what I wanted to do is jump to slide number 2. That's my US map. Slide 1 is the beginning of my presentation, and slide 2 is the USA map. So and then hit OK, and I'm just going to size that down so it's sort of over in my corner. So now I'm going to copy that, and I'll just do this, copy, and we'll put it over on slide 4, paste, so to put it right there in the corner, and we are all set. So let's just show you how this works. We'll go back to our main slide for the beginning of our presentation. Over in the corner down here, I can just hit my slideshow button, and now you'll notice we're in slideshow mode, and if I click on New York, it goes to New York. Use my home button to get back to the map. I click on Florida, it goes to Florida. So pretty cool. You can just set up a map very easily and just be able to bounce around and sort of drill down into the map as you are talking about your presentation. So thank you for joining us today at the World of Maps and for our how-to videos on customizing maps. Today we learned about how to set up a hyperlink using a PowerPoint presentation. So we have a full line of editable PowerPoint maps or presentations. They're royalty-free, easy to customize, and you can download them from our websites immediately. We have US and Canada, world projections, countries, globes, states, counties, and regions. Tons and tons and tons of maps. So thank you for joining us, and see you next time. Bye-bye.